friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app, and today we will learn about aging report. Click on reports and here you will find the option aging report. Click on it and the data will appear here. So first of all, we need to generate the aging report. For this, select the calendar, select the date from the calendar accordingly. Now click on apply. Select the location. Click on generate report. Alright, once the report is generated, you will click on export this Excel sheet. See, the report has been saved and exported to your desktop. So that's how you generate and export the aging report. Hope this helps. Thank you.